In this video, I will show you the connection of Samsung Mobile with a laptop without cable. For wireless data transfer of laptop with mobile. Mobiles and laptops must be within the same network. First, go to Samsung Mobile. Go to Google Play Store. Then download Wi-Fi FTP server. Now click on the settings icon. Then click on the root folder. You can select internal storage or external storage. Click on Start button. Now a server has been created to transfer data files. Now go to the computer screen. Right-click here. Then click on Add Network Location. Here you have to enter the mobile server. Type the server URL here. Now click on the next button. These are the folders in the internal storage of your mobile. Now you can transfer any data you want from your mobile to your laptop. This way you can transfer data from mobile to computer and from computer to mobile.